Many of you certainly waking up to the snow this morning. It moved in yesterday and continued through the overnight hours. And here's a look at the totals. We had anywhere from 3 to around 6 inches up in the northern mountains. We had some areas that picked up more than that. Cannon Plaza picking up 11 inches, Chama 7 inches, Tesuque 6 inches, Los Alamos 5 inches of snow as of this morning. Then even out west, we had a couple of inches in and around Gallup and Grant, and then Santa Fe looking at an inch of snow this morning. Of course, we are still seeing some spotty light snow up in the northern mountains, but that is starting to diminish. So the Jemez Mountains right now seeing some of that light snow up in near Cuba area. White Rock, Espanola dry right now, but over in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains seeing some spotty light snow there. And of course the northeast dry right now, but some of that is going to be moving your way as we head through the rest of the morning. And then down into the metro area, very quiet here. We're not going to see any precip here, but south of here we are seeing some spotty light snow in the higher terrain west of I-40, and of course up near Mountain Air seeing a spotty mix here as you head on to the east there, and that's going to continue to move to the east, but very, very light, and a lot of it really probably not even making it to the ground. So here's a look at the bigger picture with our satellite and radar composite, and you can see that most of the activity, again, is confined to the higher terrain. It is going to shift to the east, and later this morning and going into the afternoon, some of the higher terrain up in the northeast, Las Vegas, Clayton, Springer, those areas may see a little bit of snow mixing in with some rain, maybe picking up perhaps an inch as we head through the day, but most of it is going to fizzle out as it heads that way, and then down across the southern half of the state, of course, staying dry. We'll track it now for the next couple of hours. We'll continue to see the spotty light snow mainly up in the northern mountains and the northwest. Could see a few flurries. Of course, visibilities will be reduced though because we are seeing some fog in that area, so definitely be careful if you're going to be out in the roads up across the northern part of the state. As we head toward this afternoon though, most of it is moving out. May see a flurry or two up in the north. That's going to be about it. And then of course by this evening we're all done with the snow and we're back to clear skies and warmer weather moving in as we head through the next couple of days. Today though is going to be a bit cooler than it was yesterday. Here's where we're starting off this morning. 21 in Alamosa, 30 in Taos right now, 37 in Albuquerque, and in the low to mid 30s down in the southeast, and temperatures in the southwest starting out this morning in the upper 30s and low 40s. As we head through the afternoon, again, we're going to see cooler temperatures today. Winds are going to be up once again. We have wind advisories in effect for much of eastern and southern New Mexico. But once we get through today and go into tomorrow, things are going to be calmer. We're going to see less wind, more sunshine, and warmer temperature. So things are going to be certainly improving after we get through today. Your forecast now for the northwest, a spotty mix with temperatures this afternoon climbing into the 40s. We will see skies gradually start to clear out later today, and then more sunshine moves in for tomorrow. And look at the temperatures, they're certainly going up. 40s today, low 50s tomorrow, and then into the mid to upper 50s as we head through the rest of the week, and even into the 60s for Farmington for Thursday and Friday. Down in the southwest, it's going to be another windy one again today. Winds will approach 45 miles per hour this afternoon with temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. Silver City looking at highs in the upper 50s this afternoon, and it's going to be quite gusty again as well. South and east windy, very dry here. Winds could approach 50 miles per hour and some of the strong gusts. Temperature-wise, climbing into the upper 60s to low 70s in most locations. Temps will take a little bit of a dip tomorrow into the upper 60s. Then we're back into the mid-70s Thursday, staying dry for the next 7 days. It will be a warm Friday into the low 80s, then back into the 60s on Saturday. North and east looking at a spotty mix through most of the early part of the day. Temperature-wise, climbing into the mid-40s for Clayton, 50 in Roy, Springer, mid-50s, 48 in Raton. And up in the northern mountains, the snow will continue to diminish. Winds, though, will still be on the breezy side to even windy. Winds could gust to around 35 miles per hour, so that will blow the snow around, and that could reduce visibilities. Temperature-wise, we're looking at highs in the mid to upper 30s for Red River and Angel Fire, 47 for Santa Fe. Then we're into the mid-50s tomorrow and 60s as we finish out the work week with a lot of sunshine around. We don't see any rain or snow anytime soon in that area. East Mountains looking at windy conditions, winds gusting to around 55 miles per hour today with highs in the low to mid-50s, and cold tonight down into the teens and low 20s. And for the metro, another windy one with more sunshine later this afternoon. A little cloudy out there right now. Highs will climb into the upper 50s to low 60s. It does get warmer though. We're back to near 70 degrees as we head toward the end of the week with plenty of sunshine.